Have you ever sat alone in the dark, watching the world move forward while feeling entirely left behind? Have you ever looked at your life and wept? Not from weakness, but from the overwhelming weight of potential trapped inside you. We are taught that genius belongs to the privileged, the chosen, the ones with grand titles and gilded degrees. But they lied to you. Genius isn't born in a classroom. It is born in the quiet, desperate moments when a soul decides it refuses to stay broken. If you are ready to reclaim your mind and teach yourself like a genius, this is the path back to yourself. Step 1. Start where you are. Stop weeping over the years you wasted believing you weren't smart enough. Genius begins with mercy. Shake off the guilt, wipe the tears from your eyes, and accept that your journey starts right now. You don't need a permission slip from the world to learn. All you need is the courage to open a book, face your ignorance, and declare that your past no longer owns your future. Step 2. Feed your curiosity. Do not study to prove someone wrong. Do not learn just to impress a world that barely looks at you. Study because your heart is starving for truth. Ask questions that disturb your comfort. Chase answers until your mind expands. When you fall in love with understanding the world, the struggle stops feeling like a punishment and starts feeling like salvation. Step 3. Embrace deep focus. Real self-education demands that you step away from the noise, the crowds, and the fake applause. It asks you to sit in a quiet room, face to face with your own limits, and refuse to run away. In that uncomfortable silence, away from every distraction, your brain rewires itself. The loneliness you feel isn't abandonment. It is the holy sanctuary where your mind is being forged in fire. Step 4. Teach to learn. A true self-taught genius doesn't just hoard knowledge. They transform it into wisdom. Take every difficult concept you struggle to understand and explain it simply, as if you were speaking to a hurting child. When you can teach a complex truth with simplicity, patience, and grace, you haven't just mastered the subject, you have mastered your own mind. Step 5. Protect your fire. There will be nights when exhaustion sinks deep into your bones. Nights when you stare at a page through tears, asking yourself if any of this even matters. In those exact moments, remember why you started. You are not just acquiring information, you are rebuilding your spirit from the ashes. Never let a cold, indifferent world freeze the fire burning inside your heart. You were never meant to stay in the dark. Your mind is vast, infinite, and waiting to wake up. Trust the quiet struggle, honor your tears, and watch yourself bloom within.